afternoon, everyone. My name is Sam, and welcome to Chasing Dinner. Today, I'm working on this little project that I had picked up from a buddy of mine. He bought it for me. I'm going to restore it to make it usable, and we're basically going to share it. That's probably what's going to end up. Now, I didn't need another boat, but I did need a small boat to go into the river and freshwater system, as mine's a little bit too big. You all know about the Mako sitting there in one of my last videos, but at the moment I haven't gotten the title for it. The guy was supposed to give it to me about a month ago, and I'm still arguing with him. He needs to go and get the title for me, as with the pandemic going on, he needs to make an appointment and he doesn't have time. That's what he claims. So at the moment, it's on standstill, so we'll work on this. All the wood is rotted, falling apart. Everything is, I mean, this thing was sitting under a tree for probably the last 10 years. Look at that. Everything is off of it. So what I need to do is get all that rotted wood out. That's the first step. Then clean it up really good. Then after I clean up really good, I'm going to seal it with a special rubberized paint to make sure there's no leaks at the bottom of the hull. You never know, there could be a pinhole down there or whatever. And then of course, then I'm going to put new wood platforms back on to make it stable and easy and comfortable for fishing. And once we're done, we're taking it on the water. We're gonna probably hit the Everglades, maybe go do some Oscar fishing over there. So stay tuned. Oh, here, that's a big one. So I'm gonna have to go get a pressure washer, wash it down really good, and then I'm gonna have to do some patching. Stay tuned, guys. So now I finished pressure cleaning the boat. I found a few more holes. One of them is right here. That's a good sized hole. And there's fiberglass down there, which tells me that's been patched before. This area's been patched, that's been patched. That's been patched, that's been patched, that's been patched. That area's been patched. That area's been patched. That area's been patched. Over there. And I put that big hole there in the middle. That's been patched. That's patched. That's patched. That's patched. That's patched. Oh my God. There's probably, look at that crack all the way here. There's got to be like 10 plus holes in there I addressed. Oh boy. I let the fiberglass sit overnight so that I have time to dry and cure. It seems to be okay right now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and seal the whole bottom of this, and I'm going to use the Flex Seal liquid. That's supposed to be some good stuff, so we'll find out in a minute. All right, so we finished painting the bottom. It's actually already dried to the touch. It's not 100% dry, but it's dried to the touch. It made a really nice thick coat on the bottom, so no water should be able to come through. Now, my next step is what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a platform here, a little deck, to be able to sit on top here, one there, and I'm actually going to build one here in the front, basically extend that to about here or so. So I have a bigger casting area that I can sit on top. But I want to make sure that we don't ever step on this part and actually make a hole or puncture it somehow, whatever. So I want to put a sheet of plywood here on top of this, all the way down. So that's the goal right now. So we'll see how it goes. All right, I went and picked up these camouflage paint, and that's what I'm going to use. So the thing with these paint is, and especially in doing camouflage, it don't have to be perfect. Just spray it on. that's all she wrote on this one. So this project's done. Only thing I need to do is mount a motor on it and do some fishing. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.